everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally today I'm gonna be reacting to my fan edits. I actually had put a story way back, I guess, and people were telling me to do a reacting video, we want to see ye wo. And the thing is कि इतने ज़्यादा posts हो गए हैं, एक hashtag मैंने दिया था उसके ऊपर, like there's so many posts right now and I can't even I think I have to make a part 2 of this. Anyway, so let's just begin with part 1 for now. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's get to this. I'm gonna start screen recording, and the first edit right here that we have is Queen Yasmin. Let's see.
शमा, आखिर इरादा क्या है शहजादी?
आपको कैद करने का।
It is good. Nasty. Nasty shehzadi. She used to be. This is so cute. Hey, yes, queen. Avneet outlines. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's adorable. This is the real picture, and this so cute. Thank you, Avneet outlines. I love this. This could be my YouTube picture though, the DP, you know, that you put on your YouTube. This could be that. It's very cute. Thank you. Love it. This is so adorable. Thank you, the Avneetian. This is really cute. Thank you. Even this one is very cute. Avneet Kaur, Mumbai FC. Beautiful art by Avneet Kaur. Fan club. Thank you, dear. It is so cute. Thank you. My room is so messy right now. Chhi. Ganda. I'm not cleaning nowadays. Ganda bachcha ho gaya. All of these are so cute. So adorable. हाय मैं मर जाऊँ गुड़ खा के. सिडनीज फॉरएवर 7. दिस इज वेरी क्यूट. थैंक यू. यार कितने सारे एडिट्स बनाए हैं आप लोगों ने, बाप रे.
Thank you so much, Go to Walls, and thank you to the producers also, Alex sir, Nasir sir. Thank you to my director, Man sir, and Kushal sir, and the whole cast of Aladi. This was not possible without you guys. Thank you, Siddharth, Amir sir, Zinda ma'am, everybody. I love you all, and thank you, Ammu. Thank you, Papa, for always supporting me and loving me so much. And I'm here because of you guys, and I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. Or this is just the beginning. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Oh my god. And then I guess the anchor or somebody said that आप picture नहीं आप TV show करती हैं. I just so wanted to say, I just so wanted to tell him that please do watch Mardani 2 coming in theaters in a while, but I couldn't. I just couldn't do that because I was not, I couldn't release information about that project. So let's see this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Avneet, be best. This is awesome. Let's see this one. Hi, Significant love. Meet our cute इच्छाधारी. यार ये क्या है यार, ये क्या रोल था मेरा, वाह कमाल. This is gorgeous. I love the filter, the Avneetian. This is really nice. Thanks. This is so much love. Love this. It's so cute. Oh god, I didn't know. I hadn't seen this. बहुत सुंदर है ये. Wow. ठीक है.
I got it in my mouth.
When you are vegetarian and realize that the thing you are eating is not paneer but it's chicken. Gleamy core. This is cool, yeah. People can relate. My mom can relate to this. Definitely, she's a vegetarian. This one is so adorable by Best of AK. This one, it's Fana that she made for 10 million. It's really cute. Thank you so much, sweetheart. It's very cute. Oh, this is a beautiful sketch by Avneet Aspire. No, sorry, it's a sketch by Sri Lemmy Arts, and Avneet Aspire had tagged me in this post, and I loved it. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I just don't know how you guys are so talented, man. It's just out of the world. Okay, let's see this one.
जब तक तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद न जलना लूं, जब तक तेरे साथ में चांद तक मैं चलना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो, मेरे साथ तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो.
This is very cute. Thanks, Siddharth Admire. It is such a cute fan art. Thank you. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see this.
And I love each and every one of you. I love you so much. See you very soon. Take care.
This is my favorite one. I've closed my eyes, I don't know. This is very beautiful. And I remember me sharing this as well on my Instagram. And okay, I don't want to cry right now, but I just don't understand how am I so blessed to have you guys in my life, and all the efforts that you guys have always been making for me, for my happiness, for my smile. It's just it means the world to me. Very, very, very special to me. You guys have like no clue about this. I want to watch it again.
And I love each and every one of you. I love you so much. See you very soon. Take care.
Yeah! Whew, thank you for this. I don't know what I have done to deserve so much love from you guys. Dear Avneet, this is so cute. Dear Avneet, congratulations for 10 million. I am happy today that you reached 10 million. I was waiting for this day since so long, and now the day is here. Time passed so fast. Even I am gonna complete 1 year in this fandom. God bless you, Sidneythian's era. You are so cute. You are so. I am cute. Well, I am cute. So she says, I am glad to have you. You mean world to me. People say you are just a celebrity, but I say you are the oxygen for all Avneetians. Oh, that's a beautiful thing to say. Oh, thank you, cutie. For all the Avneetians, missing your likes a lot. People say many things about you, but I don't care because I know how good you are and you're the best. Congratulations once again for 10 million. Love you infinity. I don't know what to say. I mean, yeah, people have been saying things, but I just love you all, and I will continue to do that, and I will adore you guys always. So just remember that. I don't want to say anything else.
क्या होगी कहीं जो तेरा हमदर्द है,
Oh,
जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है, सुहाना हर दर्द है, जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है.
this is so cute. Thank you, Avneet's family. It's a beautiful edit. I loved it.
चले जब तू लटक मटक लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक ससे जाए अटक अटक आता माझी सटक सटक बम तेरा गुदे खाए कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई बॉडी
क्या बात है?
से खाने में बस तू बटर खाए कम ऑन बेबी टिकट टिकट काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट क्रिकेट पर ले लूं तेरी विकेट विकेट
Oh, all the Significan moments. A last me moment, sorry. This is a cool edit. Thank you, loved it. Ooh, now this is something cool. I like it. It's nice. Really cool. Avneetopedia, this is very cute. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, I'm a rider. Provider. Nice. Now she's got some swag, bro. Yasmin is sexy. She is sexy.
हमें ना सब कुछ पता है हम बाकी सब कम
I'm my body up come. Yasmin is shiny. That was such a cute edit. Signeet vibes, very cute. In maths, my solution. In geography, my world. Oh, that's so sweet. Loved it. Avneet blessed. In astronomy, my universe. In history, my queen. Oh, so cute. In biology, my medicine. In mythology, my goddess. Wah, I am. Am I not? Oh my god, somebody has recreated my drawings. Signeet Dynasty. Hi, sweetie. This is really good. You are very talented. This is very good. Very, very nice. So adorable. Avneet, from this to this, to this, then to this. Oh, I'm so proud. She deserves everything. It's just the beginning, many more to come. Thank you, Avneet. God bless you, girl. Love this. Thank you. So this was it for today. There are like a lot of more fan edits and fan arts, but this is gonna be my part 1. No worries, I'm gonna be making a part 2 very soon. And to all my fan arts, all my fandoms, and everybody who loves me, adores me, and looks up to me in a way, supports me, I genuinely love you all from all my heart. And all I am doing right now is because of you. Where I am standing right now, it's because of you. So never let anybody tell you anything. Just keep doing what you guys are doing, and I always see edits, and I always see all the love that you guys have been showering on me. Keep loving me and keep supporting me always, and I'm gonna keep entertaining you, definitely, absolutely, always. And I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so this was it. I'm gonna end this video before I literally start weeping now like a child. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and comment what you guys want to see next on my YouTube channel, and do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. And your girl loves you, all of you, and take care of yourself. Stay home, stay healthy. Bye. See you next time.